Join us on our YouTube channel as we bring you exclusive coverage of Pope Francis' highly anticipated visit to Portugal from 2nd to August 6, 2023. Witness the historic moments, vibrant encounters, and profound spiritual experiences as we document the Pope's journey through Lisbon, Cascais, Fatima, and more. The journey begins on Wednesday, August 2nd, as Pope Francis departs from Rome's Fiumicino International Airport and arrives at Figo Maduro Air Base in Lisbon. Experience the official welcome and the grand welcome ceremony at the main entrance of the Palacio Nacional de Belém, where the Pope's presence fills the air with excitement and anticipation. A courtesy visit to the President of the Republic follows, strengthening the bonds between the Vatican and Portugal. The day continues with a significant meeting with the authorities, civil society, and the diplomatic corps at the Cultural Center of Belém. Delve into the Pope's message to leaders and influencers as he addresses crucial societal issues. Later, witness the Pope's meeting with the Prime Minister at the Apostolic Nunciature, showcasing the unity between church and state. On Thursday, August 3rd, the Pope's itinerary takes us to Cascais, where he engages with university students at Universidade Católica Portuguesa. Be captivated by the dialogue between the Pope and the young minds that shape the future. The encounter continues as Pope Francis meets with young people of Escolas Ocorrentes, an organization promoting education and solidarity, at their headquarters in Cascais. Returning to Lisbon, a grand welcome ceremony awaits at Colina do Encontro in Parque Eduardo VII, where the Pope's presence energizes the crowds and inspires unity. Friday, August 4th, brings poignant moments of spiritual connection. Witness the Holy Father celebrating the Sacrament of Reconciliation with young people at the Serene City of Joy in Jardim Vasco da Gama. The Pope's compassionate nature shines as he meets representatives of aid and charity centers at the Centro Paroquial de Serafina, fostering a sense of solidarity and empathy. Later, join Pope Francis for lunch with young people at the Apostolic Nunciature, where personal stories and shared meals create bonds of understanding. In the evening, the Stations of the Cross take place with young people at Colina do Encontro in Parque Eduardo VII. Experience the poignant journey of faith and reflection as the Pope leads the solemn and powerful event. On Saturday, August 5th, prepare to be immersed in the spiritual aura of Fatima. Pope Francis departs by helicopter from Figo Maduro Air Base in Lisbon and arrives at Fatima Stadium. Witness the recitation of the Holy Rosary with sick young people at the Chapel of Apparitions of the Shrine of Our Lady of Fatima. A deeply moving experience that showcases the Pope's devotion to the faithful. The journey continues with the Pope's return to Lisbon by helicopter, where a private meeting with members of the Society of Jesus at Colégio de S. João de Brito offers an intimate and insightful dialogue. As the day draws to a close, a vigil with young people awaits at Campo de Graça in Parque Taju. Join us on our YouTube channel to experience the electric atmosphere, inspiring speeches, and uplifting music as the Pope shares his wisdom and guidance with the youth. Sunday, August 6th, marks the culmination of this extraordinary visit. Witness the unforgettable Holy Mass for World Youth Day at Campo de Graça in Parque Taju, where Pope Francis delivers a powerful sermon, spreading messages of faith, hope, and love to the masses. Afterward, the Pope meets with the dedicated volunteers of World Youth Day at Passeio Marítimo in Aljos, expressing his gratitude for their tireless efforts. As the day comes to a close, join us in bidding farewell to Pope Francis as he departs from Figo Maduro Air Base in Lisbon, heading back to Rome's Fiumicino International Airport. Reflect on the transformative moments, spiritual connections, and lasting impact of Pope Francis' visit to Portugal in 2023. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to embark on this extraordinary journey alongside us, capturing every moment, emotion, and spiritual revelation of this historic visit. Together, let's celebrate faith, unity, and the profound teachings of Pope Francis as we bring you an unparalleled experience you won't find anywhere else.